Welcome to the NGN Parts Intelligence Demo. In this video, you'll learn how to source parts, generate parts lists, and track purchases for your build. Start by going to the Parts Intelligence Hub and selecting the project you want to apply parts to using the drop-down at the top. NGN automatically pulls in parts recommendations from your previous activity, giving you a starting point based on your vehicle. Select a part and click Find Best Match to view available vendors, or click Recommend Best Option. And Axle will identify the best place to purchase that exact part. In this case, Axle recommends a supplier and provides a direct link to purchase. The Suppliers tab shows all trusted vendors within the NGN network. In the History tab, you'll see all parts you've purchased for this vehicle. You can also search for a specific part using the search bar. For example, searching brake pads will return relevant options instantly. Just like before, you can find the best match and let Axle recommend the best vendor. For more complicated DIY jobs requiring multiple parts, use the parts chat below to generate a full parts list. Ask something like, what parts do I need for a brake job? And NGN will generate a complete list for your selected vehicle. You can review each part, explore options, and source everything directly within the platform. Once you purchase a part, you can log it with a price and vendor, tie it directly to your project. Simply add the cost and add any extra notes about the part. That purchase will now appear in your Parts History tab for the vehicle. Once a purchase is logged, it will also automatically track in your financial log as an expense with the details of the purchase. You can filter by project to see all costs across maintenance and parts in one place. Now let's head back to your active projects and go to your project's dashboard so you can add your new parts purchase log to Axle's knowledge for AI chats. Press the button at any time to update the context. Same goes for your maintenance history, financial log, and data sheets. Now, when you ask Axle what parts you purchased, it can reference your full history instantly and have a conversation based on that, providing better recommendations with a full set of knowledge about your unique vehicle. NGN doesn't just help you find parts. It tracks, organizes, and learns from every purchase you make. Thanks for watching. Continue through the demo series to get the most out of your NGN garage.